Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add like a signature or a drawing into your Google Sheets. So just select insert here and select drawing, and you're just going to simply use this, and you're going to select the scribble one to create the signature. For instance, I'm just going to do like the word love or something. Okay, looks terrible, but you're just also going to go to line weight and select like the line weight that you want. I'm deleting that because it looks horrid, but it's basically just the scribble one, and you can also add in some drawings if you'd like to. That's also just terrible drawing. There we go. And you can change the color, I think. Let me just press on it, and yeah, we can also like change the colors here if you wanted to. I'm also going to make it thicker so you can kind of see it. Maybe I should have just done that like that, and save and close, and then you'll have your picture or signature inserted in your Google Sheets. That is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you have not done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.